This is the next part, part 2, for the quiz review section 6.1 to 6.5. We're in the section called Solve for Variable X in the following equations. So I've chosen 2 problems to look at. And then we're going to look at our rules as well. Alright, so number 1 says get the bases the same. Number 2 says set exponents equal to each other. And 3 says solve for x. Okay, so I know here's my exponents already. So here's the base that I'm going to use. So 4, I'm just going to rewrite this side. And then I want to rewrite this side using that same base. Now I have to figure out what my exponent is going to be, because I need to fill in that blank right here. So 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 to the third. Step 2, set exponents equal to each other. So here's one set of exponents, and here's my other exponent. So x minus 3 equals 3. And then we just solve this like it's a regular algebraic equation. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. X equals 6. All right, let's carry this over to our next section. And we're going to use the same rules. Get the bases the same. Here's my exponent, so I know I'm going to use this base. I'm going to rewrite this side, so I know I have my information, and I'm going to change this so that it has the same base. 5 times 5 is 25, so there's my exponent. Step 2, set exponents equal to each other. Here's one, here's the other ones, so 2 equals x plus 3. Subtract 3, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Those cross out. X equals -1. All right, so let's take a look at the next section. So we're going to simplify these. So I have a power raised to a power. So this whole quantity is to the power of -3. I'm going to flip this immediately, get my reciprocal, and then get rid of that negative sign right here so that it doesn't screw me up. So 2x to the 5th, and that's all to the 3rd. So I have 2 to the 3rd, and x, a power to a power, is multiply over 1. And we can expand that to 2 times 2 times 2. That's 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So 8, x to the 15th. So there's our final answer. Now let's take a look at the other one we have over here. All right, so I have this quantity times this quantity. So I'm going to take them piece by piece. I'm going to do my numbers first. 9 times 2, 18. When we multiply bases, we add our exponents. So I have a -2 plus 2 for my x's. Now I'm going to look at my y's. I have a -4 plus 4. So 18, x to the 0, y to the 0. These both become 1. So 18 times 1 times 1 equals 18. That's my final answer. Good luck reviewing.